Hello, this is Pete again with North Carolina Wood Toys. I've been working on my project, making these wooden toy airplanes, and today I've moved my shop outside because the weather is just so wonderful. The part I'm working on today is dimensioning this wood to the right thickness for the wood components of our airplane. As you can see, this is the right thickness, and this is some pine. Doesn't that look great? That's what I made today. I've also taken some of this cedar and got this looking great. Doesn't that just look wonderful for our toys? So I thought today I'd show you exactly how I'm doing this and give you a first-hand view of how I get this wood to what we need. Here's another cedar board that I've got from the sawmill, and it's not the right thickness yet, so we're going to work on that today. As you can see, it's also a little brown. It's oxidized from the aging process after being cut by the sawmill. So we want to get the natural reds and purples into view that we normally see in red cedar. So I'm going to show you how we do. I'm going to show you today how we do that. Oh, let's get our safety gear on. Hey, get ready, it's going to get loud. Guys, look at this board. Started out brown from the oxidation, and now this is the color of the wood that we're going to have, this red cedar, the red and purples. Now we haven't got it to the right dimensions yet, and I got to get the backside, so I've got to do a couple more passes. So I'll continue that, and I'll give you further updates as we go in this process.